So, what I want to talk to you about right now is having an exam day checklist. You've been studying for weeks or months, and you want the day to go smoothly. The last thing you want is to walk into that exam and feel stressed about something, worried about something. So, go ahead and think about what this day is going to be like before that day actually comes. Now, I'm going to go through a checklist that worked for me. You don't have to copy this. You can take bits and pieces, or you can come up with anything that you think will work best for you. So, as you can see, the first thing is to check your date and location for your exam. This was a big one for me because I actually missed my audit exam. The morning of, I checked my NTS and it had a different date than the actual date. And guess what? It wasn't tomorrow, it was the day before. So while I was supposed to be taking my exam, I was actually sitting at home, probably doing nothing if I recall. So before your exam comes up, a couple days before, maybe a week out, double, triple check the location and time of your exam. The last thing you want to do is be rushing out the door because you thought it was later, or like me, you missed it altogether. Now, the next thing is plan your morning and your meals. If you have an early morning exam, you're going to have to get up early. You're going to have to eat breakfast. If your exam's in the afternoon, well, you're probably going to have some time to kill, and you might even need to eat lunch. So think about what you're going to do. And also plan your meals. Don't eat something that you've never eaten before. Eat something that you know will be easy on your stomach, it won't make you tired, and it will give you the energy you need. Same goes with coffee and water. If you normally drink coffee, drink the same amount. Don't drink more, you'll get a headache. Drink plenty of water as well. You need to stay hydrated. Now, the next thing is plan your commute. This is a big one. Know exactly where this place is located. Plug it into your GPS a few days before, preferably on the same day and same time that you'll be taking your exam, so that you know if there's going to be any rush hour traffic, maybe there'll be some construction that you'll have to plan for. Either way, know the exact route. You can even take it one step further and actually drive there. The Prometric Center does let you see kind of what the exam center is like so that it's not a new experience for you. So overall, just make sure you know exactly how you're going to get there, and also make sure you got plenty of gas. That would be the worst thing that could happen. Now, the next item is pump yourself up in the car. Right, so once you've driven there, you don't need to park and then run inside. Sit in your car, take a few deep breaths, listen or sing your favorite song, flip through your notes, just collect yourself. Take a few deep breaths, and then get that mindset in shape so that you can go in and crush it. And guess what? That's the next one on the list. Like I said, you've been working for weeks, months. It all comes down to this. Be confident in what you know or don't know, and then just go in and crush it. Make yourself proud. You're doing it for yourself. You're doing it to make yourself better in the future. So just walk in and crush it, all right? And then the last thing is go out and celebrate and relax after. Just going and taking the exam, that's a big accomplishment in itself. There's a lot of candidates that sign up and they never go sit for an exam. So just going and taking the exam, that's a big accomplishment. You need to celebrate that, reward all of the hard work, because you're not going to get your score for at least a week or two, maybe even 3 weeks. So you just need to decompress and enjoy life. So that's what worked for me. Like I said, find something that works for you, but have an exam day checklist. Know exactly what you're going to do. And one last thing is make sure you bring your ID and your NTS. Without those, none of this will matter because you won't be able to sit for your exam. If you have any other tips, send them out to me. I'll add them to our blog. But otherwise, just think about what you're going to do. It's a very important day, and you need to have a plan. All right?